Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs in a 2006 Ford F-150. Procedures will be similar for most F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove the push clip holding down the cover at the inside edge of the headlight assembly. Once it's disengaged, pull the cover back out of the way. Use a ratchet and 10mm socket with an extension to remove the 3 bolts securing the assembly. With the bolts removed, lift up on the bottom of the assembly and the tab at the top to disengage it from the truck body. At this point, the assembly will have a wiring harness connected to each of the bulbs in the housing. Unplug each of the harnesses by pushing in on their tabs to disengage them from the back of the bulbs. With the harnesses detached, you can set the assembly down to change the headlight bulb, which is the large bulb in the center of the assembly. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to disengage it from the housing and remove it. Be sure not to touch the glass of your new bulb with bare fingers. Grease or finger oils on the bulb can create hot spots that can cause it to burn out prematurely. Insert the new bulb in the back of the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. Plug in the wiring harnesses, making sure they snap into place. On the back of the assembly, at the top of the side closest to the grille, you'll see a pin that needs to be aligned and inserted into a hole in the truck body. Once it's inserted, the whole assembly can be pushed straight in and snapped into place. Reinstall the 3 10mm bolts by hand. Then use your 10mm socket and extension to tighten them. Tuck the cover at the inside of the assembly back into place and secure it with the push clip. Headlights should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.